In front of me is OPPO F11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner. Then choose Allow and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone, but you can also click on it and select tiny icon right next to it. Then select Next after reading all of those instructions and Done. Now you can delete your text on the go thanks to this button with an X. You can manage all of the available settings by those three lines at the bottom left corner. And go back to standard keyboard thanks to this keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!